bulb like this, an automatic, and a motor like this fan, and we can make this, and we can learn science, robotic things, laptop things, all things, this magic bit. And so we have a fan, we have a motor, we have a jumper wires, and we have a battery pack, and we have an LED light, and we have a cable, like we can do this and put it into that, and we can use this to lap like this. You can see this. You can see this. A blue color light and red color light. That is when we would